Escondido Trail where my husband said we were going to this thing, and I thought it was gonna be like 3 miles total, and I think it's gonna be like 4 or 5 miles total. So
you laughing? I agree with you that it's kind of little disappointing that we don't have parking at the entrance of the trail and we have to like walk a mile. So we are hiking before hiking. But I've heard that there are some pretty mansions here. Once we win a Powerball lottery, we'll buy a house here. Did you figure out which one so far we buying?
oh yeah, that one.
The one at the top?
Yeah.
The problem is that this is so muddy that I can't tell how deep is this. That's my sexy wife here, Decker. That's my pretty beautiful kid, Decker Gupta, and I'm the annoying Gupta. Oh, there it is, the waterfall. Oh, that's big. What a waterfall. This could be my last video. The last time I was alive and talking. It's going to be tough. It was worth it. The upper end, Escondido Falls, that was beautiful. So far I'm able to do this by there's somebody who had a rope here. So I'm kind of able to do this, kind of slide on my butt. There's no rope there. I texted my wife that I'm coming back. Whenever I get network, she'll know. Otherwise, I'm worried if she's panicking already. She loves me a lot. And she has a very, very pure, soft and gentle heart. I'm quite certain she's already crying and I feel bad for her. Be careful. I got this. I'm almost down there. I'm just worried about my wife and kid. They must be missing me. I'm back. Yay! Huh? You were worried very much?
I was very worried, Robbie. I can't get a hold of you.
I'm sorry, baby.
What if something happened to you?
I'm sorry. The family picture. We did it.
The sign said, "Do not enter."
Yeah.
Yes, give me all the keys so that I can go and get help.
But you
And our
have to walk
daughter
out.
is not crying her head. Yes, I gotta walk out with the backpack on my belly and our daughter on her back crying.
I don't think you can do it without me.
I think I could have.
And crossing all that water
You'd
stream.
be amazed what women can do when they need to do it for their children. If any day were a day where we served Chipotle.
That's my pretty sexy wife. So happy to see her husband alive.
I was gonna tell someone the next time they come got up and say, if you see a guy, anytime, ask if you see a guy named Robbie, and tell him to get his fucking ass down here, or he's about to get left.
Maybe you're sexy. If you're sexy and you know it, grab your boobs. If you're sexy and you know it, slap your husband. Ow! If you're cute and you know it, give a high five. Yay! We did it.
I mean, we didn't do it. We still have to hike down out of the bougie neighborhood. So yeah, if you have a house like this, you have the salary to match, unrestricted. Right?
You'll be my unrestricted bitch.
Yeah, but then that means I get unrestricted.
Oh shit.
Unrestricted.
Hey babe, I have a dumb question. So the house that we saw with the sea view and gigantic house, probably $40-50 million, and if I own that house and you said you'll be my unrestricted bitch, right? But why would I even marry you? Do you think I will?